Hello everybody! Workbench is pretty well cleared off, and I got my miniature replacement lamps out, so that means it's time to officially kick off Christmas light repair season. I've got a couple of strands here for a new Christmas tree I'm working on, and going to be getting those all up and running and making sure they're good to go, and I don't have any surprises. First up on the list is this icicle strand. I believe that's a strand of 35. These are clear. I'm going to have one clear tree this year. So let's see if these work. Looks like they do. I don't see any burnouts either, so we're starting out pretty good. Next, I have a set of these reflector pedal lights. And then a miscellaneous thing that needs to get out of the way. I believe this is also a strand of 35. Might be 50. Just got a burnout. So this should be interesting. See how many lamps are in the circuit. 18. So those will either be 12 volt or 7 volt. Or 6 to 8 volt. Let's just try a couple out. See what I come up with. Let's see what happens with a 7 volt lamp. To dim them down and dial it in. I don't have any clear 6 to 8 volt. You know, that might do it. Cool. I think it likes those. That made a huge difference already in how those are performing. So do I have some lamps burned out here in this next section? There's another one burned out. I've not had a light strand where I've had success with these actual bulbs, so that's awesome. Finally found an application for them. Yeah. Those are chooching at about 92 volts. There's the full 120, which I'm not going to run them that hot, so we'll probably run them about 90 volts. They're still twinkling and doing their thing. So I'm going to call that one a win. Next on the clear tree, I've got a star topper with clear lights. Let's see if this works. 90 volts. Perfect. So there's the miniature lights. And then I have a C6 strand here. It's going to be populated with white lights. So various cone style and spade bulbs and stuff like that I've got. If I have any of the C6 lighted ice type bulbs, I'll put those in there too and see what that looks like. So I'll round up my lamps I'm going to use and I'll be right back. Here's what I've come up with on this C6 with white lights. This is going to be run at 50 volts. Maybe less. Let's try it at 40 volts. I think it's happier at 40 volts. I don't think maybe two of those twinkle bulbs might be too much on the circuit. But we'll let it ride there for a little bit. They're both twinkling at 40 volts, so I think we might be okay. So what I've got here is a couple of luminous candles, a couple of the twinkling lighted ice type, a couple of spades, a twisted glass Mazda, and a early 40s GE Mazda USA C6. So that's going to look pretty good on there, I think. So once again, getting my clear and white lights Christmas tree strands running for the 2025 Christmas season. Thank you for watching.